Evelyn, can you say hi to the turtles? Say hi to the turtles. Yeah. You see any of those flowers that grow around here?
No.
My mom, Mimi plants irises. She used to every year.
No, I didn't.
Last one.
It looks like
Evelyn, are you having a good time?
I just stepped on.
How are you doing today? You doing good?
Kinda.
Oh, we got to a dead end? All right. Reach down in there, Zane.
Oh. Go.
He's coming out. Get him, right there. Right there. Right here. Catch him. Catch him, Zane. There you go. Zane caught him. Show him to me. Look, show him to me.
Guys, I caught him.
Let me see. Hold out your hand. Let me see him really close. Very good. Look at that big salamander with a worm in his mouth.
Yeah. I caught 2 of these.
Do you see that, bro? With that worm in his mouth?
Yeah.
Good eyes, Mom.
All right, show him to me. What do you have there?
2 grasshoppers.
Man, you're really catching a lot of grasshoppers.
One right here, one right there.
Man, lots of, those are called lubbers.
And another.
They're called lubbers.
Let's see. Key. I'll get 2 of big ones.
Well, actually it says Eagle Fireline Trail, and then Eagle Trail keeps going this way. Which way do y'all want to do?
There's 2 eagle trails.
That's called the Eagle Fireline Trail if you turn left, but this one's called the Eagle Trail if you just keep going straight.
Eagle Fireline Trail.
Blow it. Blow it hard. Blow it hard.
There's one for me.
Evelyn, can you sing the bunny song?
Bunny, bunny, bunny.
All right, that's a good song. Thank you.
If I see one, I'll get in the grass. I got a clue. What? There's cars.
All right, we're still on Eagle Loop. We're on a long straightaway. Looks like a trail that cars drive on with limestone.
Which one? Oh, do you want to go on there? Mama! Bye-bye.
Where are we going, Evelyn? Yeah.
Oh look, what does that mean? Bunny? Look, there's a bunny!
show me the colors. Tell me about this thing. What colors does he have on him?
Red or yellow. Some black.
What's it called?
A rubber.
A lubber, huh? How'd y'all enjoy the hike today?
Good.
What was your favorite part?
On seeing the turtles.
Seeing the turtles? That was your favorite part? Evelyn! Evelyn, come see. I have a question for you. Did you have a good time today?
That actually looks like a dragonfly.
Let's go.
Why did we go?
Come on. We did. There's Sweet Pea. Follow me.